Hello friends, today I want to share with you a technique to become the new version of yourself. So if you want a new version of yourself, you're always working on yourself to be the best version of yourself. If you want to change the version you have of yourself right now for a better version, here's the strategy. You need to do that 30 minutes before you go to sleep and 30 minutes when you wake up. So I'll show you the strategy. The strategy is tonight, if you want a new version of yourself, you're gonna make work your subconscious to bring that to you into your life. So tonight, you write down before you go to sleep, 30 minutes before you go to sleep, you sit down with yourself and you write down every detail of the new version of yourself. So you write down example, and you write in the present. I'm a loving person. I'm this, I'm that, I'm this, I'm that. I live there, I do that. So you write in details the new version you want for yourself in the present, you write down. And once you finish writing it, you read it to yourself before you go to sleep. When you get up tomorrow morning, you pick this up, and the first 30 minutes, you read it to yourself. And you do that every day for 21 to 28 days, because it takes 21 to 28 days for your subconscious to get the information with repetition. So if you want to have that new version of yourself, it's possible for you. There's zero limit. Everything's possible. You could do this. You need to make your subconscious work for you. So it's important when you write that new version of yourself that you write a lot of details. What does the new version of yourself do? What kind of activities? What kind of person is it? So you write down everything that you want about that person, that new version of you, in details. And why 30 minutes before you go to sleep? Because your subconscious, 30 minutes before you go to sleep, that's where it takes in the more information. So when you sleep, your subconscious is going to work on this information. And 30 minutes when you wake up, 30 minutes, that's where the subconscious again is taking the best absorbing information. So you want to do that when you go to sleep and when you get up. And when you get up, you read this to yourself. It's gonna work in your subconscious all day, and with time you're gonna start being that new version. You're gonna see it. You're gonna say, "Oh my God, I'm really acting like that new version of myself." So I've been doing that for a long time. This strategy that I'm sharing with you today, and it works. It works great, and always changing and updating a new version of myself. I don't know, I don't remember how many years I've been doing that, but I'm around 15 years for sure. So I'm telling you, it works, and it's great, and you go step by step, and once you have the new version of yourself, the better version of yourself, and you're satisfied with that, you're gonna find another vision, another vision and another new version of yourself. Because when you're there, you're gonna say, "Oh yeah, I want to improve this. I want this, and you do the same process. So I'm sending you amazing vibes again. I'm sending you great vibes, and I'll see you next time.